What's up, everybody? So got the C8 Z right behind me, and today is a fabulous day because what we are going to do is we are going to head over to the dyno. I'm going to get the car on the dyno. I'm going to check out the horsepower on it, right? We all know from the factory this motor, this 5.5 liter V8 flat plane crank motor makes 670 horsepower, but that's to the motor. We want to find out today what this thing makes to the wheels. So we're gonna head over to Bailey's High Performance in Fort Worth, Texas. We're gonna get this thing on a dyno and see what she makes, but let's first fire it up. All right, just arrived at Bailey's High Performance. Just brought the C8 Z06. Man, they got a ton of Mopar stuff going on here. Man, like barely any Chevy. Oh, look, black Z06, C7 Z06, looking all gravy. But yeah, a ton of Mopar stuff. The shop has been around for a while. They used to do Chevy a lot. Now they do a lot of Mopar. I guess Texas is Mopar country or what, I don't know. But they got a lot of Mopar stuff going on. I mean, you see Trackhawks here, you see Durangos, you see everything. Hellcats, Red Eyes, TRXs, you know, all this stuff. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. But anyways, we are going to get my car on the dyno here in a little bit. They're going to clear out some stuff right now, and we're going to do some dynoing. Look at all these crazy Mopars. A lot of them. That's the dyno right there. We're gonna get it on there. It's a Dyno Jet. Is it Dyno Jet or? Yeah, Dyno Jet. Yeah. So Dyno Jet. All-wheel drive. What do you all? Oh yeah, the Trackhawks. Yeah, I was saying, like, what do you all-wheel drive? That's cool. Yeah. Crazy Trackhawks are pretty cool. I've always been a huge fan of the Trackhawk. Nice big fan. I mean, it's a pretty cool operation they got going here at Bailey's. I'll get my car up on here and see some horsepower numbers, see what this thing makes to the wheels. You know, we all know what it makes to the motor, but I want to see what it makes to the wheels. This truck is pretty crazy. Can't wait till Chevy comes out with their own version of the TRX. What is this, a Bronco? Wow. They got everything here. Everything. The plan is to just have fun with it. Yeah. You know?
Racing everywhere?
I'm gonna take it to the drag strip sometimes, run a little bit. Maybe do some exhaust stuff. That's about it. Nothing too crazy because you can't. These computers are like so locked. You can't really do anything major. And I don't think I would want to do anything major. I already got cars that got major stuff done to them, so I'm not really worried about trying to go crazy with this. Yeah, have fun with it. Stock is great, especially when stock is fast. You know, like I've learned that over time. Like, you know, cars nowadays are coming out so quick. You know, you can have a lot of fun with them stock and not have to worry about anything. Going under the car, check it out. Completely flat bottom. That's crazy. I mean, they really wanted to make sure aero was good on this thing. Obviously, I've been driving this thing for about 1,500 miles now, so you can see maybe a little dirty here and there, but nothing too crazy. But I mean, they really went all out when it comes to being flat on this thing. I mean, they weren't messing around. Flat, flat, flat everywhere. They want air to completely pass through under here. That is it. Nothing else. Just air go through. They don't want it to hit anything. Just flat, flat, flat all the way through underneath the C8Z.
Oh yeah, he's driving it on there.
He's about to fire it up, and it's pretty loud. Gotta love that sound. That first initial fire up is a true fire up of a motor. Love it. Rolling it onto the dyno. We're gonna see what this thing makes in horsepower. So right now, trying to get the computers on the car to not freak out. So what he's doing is trying to like do some little tripping up with some things and basically make it to where we can dyno it, because we don't really necessarily know how to put this thing in a dyno mode. It's so new. There's not many of these things out there being dynoed. So one way you could do it is put it in all-wheel drive, but we didn't want to take things off and do all that fun stuff. So anyways, yeah, we're just trying to make it to where we can actually dyno it. That's interesting. I wonder what it did. 598. Wow. That is 598. You can see it right there. 598, and that's without even letting it cool down. I literally drove like 30 something miles, let it heat up, got here, put it on, didn't even let it cool down, just immediately got to it. 598. Now we're gonna let it cool down and see what it does. But yeah, I'm super impressive. 93 octane pump gas, like nothing crazy. I didn't throw race fuel in there or anything like that. So yeah, pretty epic. Pretty epic. Look at that. Take a look at that. Look at that curve. Makes some power up really, really high. Torque is pretty good though, pretty low. Well, that's 5,000 some RPM, but still. Alrighty, let's see what this thing does on its second pull. 2023 C8 Z06. No Z07 package at all, just you know, NON-Z07. So no carbon fiber wheels or anything like that. See what she made. See what she made.
How did you do, Chris?
Good. Feels pretty solid. Did it make any extra? Oh, just a hair bit lower. Oh, dang. 596. A little bit more torque, but yeah, just a hair bit more torque. There we go.
So we got a little bit more torque. Yeah. That's impressive.
It's, yeah, it is. It is. It is. It definitely is.
You're gonna have to move to Texas to get that power.
I know, right? I know. Or just throw some race fuel in it, you know, in California, and then call it a day, you know.
So what's your thoughts, my brother?
It's so that's it. Dyno day complete. We just did 2 passes on it. No need to do more. You're not gonna go make 1,000,000 more horsepower. We let it cool down a little bit. Gave it like a good 20-30 minutes or so to cool down. The car made 598. That was its big number. 598 rear wheel horsepower, dyno jet. Torque was 416, but the best torque was 418. So hey, it's not bad. I mean, stock car, stock wheels. I don't have the carbon fiber wheels, so they're not. I don't have the lighter ones. If I would have had the lighter ones, it definitely would have made over 600 horsepower to the wheels. But hey, it's all good. This is how it sits. This is how I drive on the street. Nothing else done. I didn't add race fuel. I didn't do anything funky to it. I just drove it here like this. We dynoed it. In fact, I mean, when we first drove it here and dynoed it, I mean, this thing was, you know, still warm and then still made good power. So solid car. GM did a really amazing job. And I'm happy that we now know kind of baseline what this thing can do on 93 octane on the dyno with this bone stock C8 Z06. So anyways, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys later.